In a world where wealth and success often seem elusive, the idea of making $1 million can feel like an attainable dream, especially for those from humble beginnings. But what if we told you that it is not only possible but within reach, regardless of your starting point? Jim Rohn once said, and I love his quote, he says, "It is easier to get rich than it is to explain not getting rich." So today, we're going to take you on a transformative journey, a step-by-step guide that will show you how anyone, even those from the most impoverished backgrounds, can defy the odds and achieve millionaire status. So make sure to smash the like button to show that you are ready to start on this journey. The first step on this path to prosperity is to cultivate the right mindset. On the journey from poverty to prosperity, the first and most crucial step is to cultivate the right mindset. A mindset that transcends limitation, embraces possibilities, and fuels unwavering belief in one's ability to achieve greatness. For those who are born in poverty, the path to success can often seem daunting and even unachievable, but it is in these moments of adversity that the true power of the mind is revealed. Imagine a young woman raised in an impoverished background, surrounded by a cycle of poverty that seemed inescapable. Yet, within her burned a flame of ambition, a relentless belief that she was destined for something greater. She understood that the first step on her journey was to cultivate a mindset of abundance, to reject the limiting beliefs that had held her back for so long. With each book she read, each mentor she sought out, and each affirmation she repeated, her mindset began to shift. As her mindset transformed, so did her reality. Opportunities that seemed out of reach began to present themselves. Doors that were once closed now swung open, inviting her to step into a world of endless possibilities. With a mindset rooted in self-belief, resilience, and a hunger for growth, she fearlessly pursued her dreams, undeterred by the setbacks or naysayers. Each challenge became an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to emerge stronger than before. It was this unwavering mindset that propelled her forward, transforming her from a young woman trapped in poverty to a trailblazer, a beacon of hope for others who dared to dream. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that the greatest obstacle we face is often the limitations we impose on ourselves. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, resilience, and self-belief, we can unlock the power that transcends our circumstances and create the life we truly desire. The path from poverty to prosperity begins with a single step: the decision to embrace a mindset that shatters boundaries and propels you towards your greatest potential. Take the first step today and watch as your world transforms before your very eyes. Once you've cultivated the right mindset, the next step on your journey from poverty to prosperity is to identify your passion and turn it into a profitable venture. For it is in the pursuit of our passions that we find true fulfillment and the fuel to propel us forward towards greatness. Too often we are told to suppress our passions, to prioritize practicality over purpose. But what if we told you that your passion could be the very key to unlocking your path to prosperity? Steve Jobs once said, and I quote, "We believe people with passion can change the world for the better." That's what we believe. And we believe that those people that are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones that actually do it. Imagine a young man raised in a humble neighborhood where dreams were often sacrificed for survival. Yet within him burned a passion for art, a talent that had been nurtured since childhood. For years, he had been told that art was a hobby, a distraction from the real world. But deep down, he knew that his passion held the power to transform his life. With a newfound determination, he began to explore ways to monetize his art. He studied the market, he identified gaps and opportunities, and developed a unique style that set him apart. Slowly but surely, his passion began to bear fruits. Commissions trickled in, and his art gained recognition. Each success fueled his determination, and he reinvested his earnings into expanding his venture. The path was not without challenges, but the young man's passion was his guiding light. He adapted the changing market trends. He embraced new mediums and techniques and never lost sight of his ultimate goal, to turn his passion into a sustainable and profitable business. Today, he stands as a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. His art has not only brought him financial prosperity, but also a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends mere monetary gain. Identify your passion, the thing that sets your soul on fire, and dare to turn it into a profitable venture. For it is in the pursuit of our passions that we find the fuel to propel us from poverty to prosperity and ultimately to a life of true fulfillment. With your passion identified and the determination to turn it into a profitable venture, the next crucial step on your journey from poverty to prosperity is to develop a comprehensive business plan, your roadmap to success. A well-crafted business plan is more than just a collection of numbers and projections. It is a blueprint that guides your actions, a compass that keeps you on course, and a powerful tool that demonstrates your commitment and the ability to execute your vision. Imagine a young entrepreneur born into a family that had known nothing but hardships. Her dream was to create a sustainable fashion line that celebrated her cultural heritage while promoting ethical and environmentally conscious practices. Armed with passion and determination, she knew that her idea had the potential to not only generate financial prosperity, but also to make a positive impact on the world. However, she understood that without a comprehensive business plan, her dream would just remain just a dream. With unwavering focus, she immersed herself in market research, analyzing trends, studying her competition, and also identifying her target audience. She meticulously crafted her financial projections, outlining her strategies for growth, and setting measurable milestones to track her progress. Her business plan became a living document, a roadmap that guided her every decision, from sourcing materials to marketing her brand. It was a testament to her commitment, her understanding of the market, and her ability to execute her vision. With a comprehensive business plan in hand, the young entrepreneur was able to secure funding, attract investors, and build a team of talented individuals who shared her passion and believed in her vision. Today, her sustainable fashion line is not only a financial success, but also a beacon of hope, demonstrating that it is possible to create prosperity while making a positive impact on the world. A comprehensive business plan is more than just a document. It is a testament to your commitment, your understanding of the market, and your ability to execute your vision. Develop your roadmap to success and watch as your dreams of prosperity become a reality. As you embark on your journey from poverty to prosperity, one of the most crucial steps is securing the necessary funding to bring your vision to life. For many aspiring entrepreneurs, especially those from humble beginnings, access to capital can often seem like a big obstacle. However, in today's dynamic business landscape, there are numerous financing options available, each with its own unique advantages and challenges. The key is to approach this process with a well-prepared plan, a deep understanding of the funding landscape, an unwavering belief in your ability to succeed. Imagine a woman raised in a single-parent household where every penny was stretched to its limit. Her dream was to open a community-based learning center, providing affordable education and mentorship to underprivileged children in her neighborhood. While her passion and determination were unmatched, she knew that without adequate funding, her dream would remain just a dream. But she refused to let her humble beginnings dictate her future. With a comprehensive business plan in her hand, she began to explore various financing options, from traditional bank loans and government grants to crowdfunding platforms and angel investors. She left no stone unturned. Each pitch, each meeting, and each rejection only fueled her determination. She refined her approach, strengthened her pitch, and remained steadfast in her belief that her vision was not only viable but essential for her community. Finally, her perseverance paid off. She secured a combination of funding sources, each contributing to the realization of her dream. From a small business loan to a successful crowdfunding campaign, she had assembled the resources necessary to bring her vision to life. Today, her community learning center stands as a beacon of hope, providing affordable education and mentorship to countless children and empowering them to break free from the cycle of poverty and pursue their dreams. Funding is often a crucial component of any successful venture, but it is not an insurmountable obstacle. Explore various financing options. Approach the process with a well-prepared plan and unwavering determination, and watch as your dreams of prosperity take flight. With your passion identified, your comprehensive business plan in your hand, and the necessary funding secured, the next step on your journey from poverty to prosperity is to focus on the practical aspects of launching your business. This is where your vision begins to take tangible form and your dreams start to manifest in the real world. While the excitement of bringing your idea to life can be exhilarating, it is crucial that you approach this phase with a level head and a keen eye for detail. From navigating the legal and regulatory landscape to building a solid operation infrastructure, the practical aspects of launching your business can make or break your venture. Imagine a young man raised in a community where opportunities were scarce and the odds seemed stacked against him. His dream was to create a sustainable agriculture business, empowering local farmers and promoting environmentally conscious practices. With his passion burning bright and his business plan meticulously crafted, he knew that the next step was to navigate the practical aspects of bringing his vision to life. From registering his business and obtaining the necessary licenses to setting up his operation infrastructure, he understood the attention to detail was paramount. With unwavering focus, he immersed himself in the legal and regulatory requirements, seeking guidance from professionals to ensure he was covering all bases. He secured a suitable workplace, assembled a team of skilled individuals who shared his passion and implemented systems and processes to support his day-to-day operations. Each step, no matter how small, was approached with the same level of dedication and attention to detail. He understood that the solid foundation was essential for building a sustainable and successful enterprise. As his business took flight, he remained vigilant, constantly refining his processes, adapting to changing markets, conditions, and seeking opportunities for growth and improvement. Today, his sustainable agriculture business stands as a testament to the power of practical preparation and continuous improvement. Not only has he achieved financial prosperity, but he has also made a lasting impact on his community and the environment. Focus on the practical aspects of launching your business and watch as your vision transforms from a dream into a tangible reality. Embrace the details, navigate the legal and the regulatory landscape with precision, and build a solid operation infrastructure that will support your venture's growth and success. With your business successfully launched and the foundation firmly in place, the next step on your journey from poverty to prosperity is to scale and grow your venture. This is where the true potential of your vision is unleashed and the potential of your success ripples outward, inspiring others to follow your footsteps. Scaling and growing your business is not merely about increasing revenue or expanding market share. It's about embracing innovation, staying ahead of the curve, and continuously seeking out new opportunities for growth and improvement. It's very important to scale and grow your business, embrace innovation, and continuously seek out new opportunities for growth and improvement. For it is in the pursuit of scaling and growth that you will truly unlock the potential of your vision and amplify the impact of your success inspiring others to follow in your footsteps on the journey from poverty to prosperity. The path from poverty to prosperity is not an easy one, but it is achievable for those with unwavering determination, a willingness to learn, and the relentless pursuit of your dreams. By following these steps, cultivating the right mindset, identifying your passion, developing your comprehensive business plan, securing funding, handling the practical aspect of your business, and continuously scaling and growing your business, you can defy the odds and join the ranks of self-made millionaires. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, stay resilient in the face of obstacles, and let your vision shape the future. The path to millionaire status is yours to forge. Take the first step today. If you got any value in this video, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel not to miss out any videos that I upload. Share this video with others, friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.